grabbed everything I needed for your hair oiling today. I definitely recommend keeping it like the hair oil overnight and then just washing first thing in the morning. But I'm super excited to do this for you. Got that, got my hair oil. I've got like some additional sprays as well in case we need them. So I'll kind of go over the different things I have and then we can sort of decide what you want to do. Or I'll just kind of YOLO it, you know, whatever you think. Okay, so did you brush your hair at all, or probably need me to brush it a little bit? That's fine, that's totally fine. Okay, and then we can kind of like oil your hair in sections, I'm thinking. But we can definitely just start by brushing it out to make sure we're all good to go. Yeah, for sure. I have like a hair oil, and then I have like a rosemary spray. You could probably do both if you want to. Yeah, for sure, no problem. And I'll just kind of clip your hair back along the way. And I could put like I got you a little head wrap thing when we're done with everything, just so everything can stay together. And honestly, I'm probably gonna put your hair in braids for overnight, just so it doesn't get like absolutely everywhere. Yeah, for sure, no problem. All right, how was your day though? Busy? Yeah, mine kind of was too, for sure. But you know, it's been busier. I think I'm finally knowing how to kind of stick to a routine and schedule, which is nice. Really, the only thing that I'm missing is working out, like incorporating that into my schedule, because I'm just so tired from Lise. So that's been hard, you know, but it's fine. It's all good. So we'll do hair sectioning for the rosemary spray. And once we have that, then I'll probably release everything. And we can just hair oil everything and then braid it for you and all that. So does that sound okay? Good. Just kind of noting the texture of your hair too. So it's honestly kind of relaxing. Like, I know it's probably super relaxing for you, but it's also pretty relaxing for me to do your hair, honestly. There's a piece here. I think I've collected everything from the back of your head, so you should be good with regards to that. Okay, let's put a little bit of that rosemary spray first. Let me just check to see if I have any other cool hair care products. Otherwise, we will totally just continue as is. Okay, yeah, I think we're good. Alright, let's put some of the rosemary. We'll take out this first section here. And just kind of incorporate that. The hair oil is going to go more at the roots, whereas the spray will be more along the middle to edges, okay? Yeah, that's just what I found to be the most successful for sure, but yeah, those clips are super cute, so thank you for getting them for my birthday. And look, now you can benefit from them. It does have a nice smell, doesn't it? Believe it or not, it's homemade. Yeah, I don't like to brag. But I just feel like a lot of the over-the-counter stuff, like, there's just so much that go into those products. It's so hard to like trust that the ingredients will not give me some sort of a reaction or something, to be honest with you. Yeah, so that's why it's in this little cutesy container. Yeah. Okay. Honestly, I'm just enjoying the peace and quiet. If you know what I mean. If you know, you know. My bangs, though. Let me know, like, if you prefer me talking in the comments below, or you prefer more silence. Silence never bothered me. Not as kid, not as now. I can quietly sit in the room with someone and not feel uncomfortable about it. Some people find that to be very uncomfortable and awkward, but definitely let me know what your thoughts are on that, because everyone's so different when it comes to that specifically. Oops, can't get too distracted here, sorry. Okay. So I think we've got, we'll do a final mist of this rosemary spray all over your head. Okay. Perfect. So I think we can probably get to the hair oiling. So let me just make sure scalp is ready for that. Okay. The girl's gonna have to change positions here because we're gonna do more scalp related stuff right now. And you are taller than me, so okay. Shall we get started? I just realized I'm gonna get oil all over my hands, but I guess for you it's fine. Doesn't it feel so nice and cool? Yeah. Okay, we can start there for now. We'll see if we need more. Okay, just gonna rub that in. Good. Only because you have like a lot of hair, we will probably need some more. Let's get some more back here. think it's pretty evenly distributed all over, which is good. So here, how about I do one final oiling along the rest of the ends there. I lost my hair oil. There it is. And then we will put it into braids. Awesome. I don't know, the more the merrier. Okay. So we'll just get use these two, I guess, because I think these will hold your hair the best at the end of the braid. So let me do a final. Okay. Let's braid your hair. I'm just doing a basic, like whatever they call just a 3-section braid. Because you know me, I don't know what I'm doing a lot. These should be pretty comfortable to sleep in. I think you'll be good because I'm making it kind of like a looser braid for you, so it shouldn't tug on you at all when you're sleeping. Okay, let's do this side here. What is that noise outside? It's always something, am I right? Right when I was just saying how nice it is to have some peace and quiet. Always goes like that, I think. Awesome. If I'm not the best sister ever, I don't know who is. Fun fact, I always smile when I wear this green headband because this is the headband my sister gave me as like a birthing gift. My real sister. My other sister, you know, because you're my sister. And yeah, so I don't wear it that often, to be honest, but so it's what I wore in the hospital when I was giving birth, which for, if you listen to some of my stories or you've been here for a while, you know that wasn't the most beautiful experience for me, but still beautiful to say the least. All right. Your hair is now in beautiful braids. There we go. Okay, let me put this little, just feels comfortable, right? Okay, I am just making sure. Sorry, I just like to maintain a clean station here. Let me just put these back. Seriously, so cute. Thank you again for getting these for me. Okay. Let me just clean all that. So we've got the hair in braids. Let me smoothen out the front here. Just making it beautiful. I have to wash these combs after because now it just has hair oil all over it, so love that. Now, what I'm about to put on your head is machine washable, so just make sure you pop it in like the washer after you wake up tomorrow morning, just because this too will have a lot of hair oil on it, in case you don't remember that. Okay, close this up. Definitely let me know how you think your hair feels tomorrow morning after you wash it out and style it and stuff. I am super curious to find out. But let's put this here. There you go. How's that feel? Does it feel like it fits well? Good, good, good. Braids look gorgeous. Okay, well, I think I'm all done with your hair oiling session. Please let me know how you like it. If you want me to do it again for you, definitely let me know in the comments below because this was super fun. And honestly, way easier than I thought it would be. So let me know if you ever need me to do it again. Otherwise, you are all set. And I look forward to hearing your opinions about it tomorrow. Yep, for sure. You know I'm always here. All right, bathroom's available for you. See ya.